In this video, we will walk through entering a basic sentence. We'll begin on the sentence page. Select New in the upper right corner to create a new sentence. Enter the name. Please note that this name will not show up on the report. Then enter the offense date.
You can also select the calendar icon to display a calendar.
If you'd like to calculate using older versions of the guidelines, select Guidelines versions. Under MCL, start typing the crime or crime number. This will make the list shrink to match your criteria. Next, select the habitual level and whether or not it was an attempted crime. Then select Save and continue to the PRVs. Now we can view PRVs. You can expand or collapse these for more information and work on only the ones you need. Instructions are available under the PRVs by selecting Show Instructions. There's also an option to enter notes if needed. Please note that these can be seen on the report we download. Helpful MJI references are also available by selecting this hyperlink. Now we'll move on to the offense variables. Select Save and continue to OVs. This group of OVs is limited based on the crime group, based on our selection, and it was a crime against public safety. Note the list is limited. OVs 2 and 5 through 8 are not listed. Similar to PRVs, you can expand the OVs and work on the ones you want to work on. Also, these notes will show up later. After working on the OVs, we save and move on to the results page. This page has several sections. At the top is a summary of the information we've entered. Next is the scores section, which includes our PRVs and OVs. Both can be expanded to show details on how each score was created. This is also where notes appear. Next is the results section. This displays resulting sentence information as well as the sanction. Below that is a sentencing grid of the proper class already highlighted with the result of your sentence. Please note the SIR Info tab at the top. We'll come back to this. It's not necessary to create the report. Click the Download Report button. In the report screen, you're able to customize the information you'd like to show on the report. For now, we'll leave the Social Security number blank and include all other information. Select Download. A PDF version of the report will be downloaded. The Sentencing Information Report shows 3 pages. The first page is the information report itself and all other entered information and resulting range. The second page is a sentencing grid. Again, this has the results already highlighted. The third page is a breakdown of your PRV and OV variable scores. Notes are also shown here if you chose to include those. Now we'll go back and enter the header information so we can create the proper sentence for our files. Select the SIR tab. Please note all of these fields are optional and you can fill them out as needed. Select Save. Now when we download the report, I can include the Social Security number. It will not be saved in our system, but it will show in the generated report. As you can see here, the header information shows is completed on the report, and now we can save it or send it on to whoever we need to.